Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Mowers and More. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect and disconnect the front end loader on your tractor. Spring's here on the farm and it's time for me to get back to mowing, so it's time to take this off. And I figured I'd show you all because the first time you do this it can be quite a trick, but I'll show you how easy it is and how quickly you can get this on and off without a second set of hands. First thing I'm going to need to do is start the tractor up. I'm going to lift it up and I'm going to show you underneath there's a stand we need to lower. All right, a little hard to see, but right here, there's a pin. You remove the pin, slide this arm down, and then move it over so it locks into place. Then you take your pin and you lock that back into place. All right, we're gonna lower it down till it touches. There we go. Now, what you want to be paying attention to is the pressure. This, a slide pin here on both sides, it doesn't want to move. But if we apply a little more pressure, suddenly it comes right out. I'm going to do that to the other side as well. All right, once that's off, we want to raise this portion off of the locks. Like so. And then you're going to back up just a little. Perfect. And that is going to give us access to our loader hose connections. Now we can shut this off and it's just a matter of pulling back on these collars, and that is going to get this system unhooked. And they're color coded. You will lose a little bit of your HST fluid, but that's okay. And then you put your dust caps on. And that's all there is to it. It takes just seconds to get it done. And that's literally all there is to it. This is one of the best designs, I think, in small tractors today on how to get front end loaders on and off. You know, some of the models have different variations of this, but all will operate on a very similar path. So how do you hook it back up? Well, that process is actually just as easy, if not easier. You really don't have to leave the seat to do this work. However, for filming this video, I'll show it to you in a way that you can see a little clearer. Let's do it. I'm going to take my hoses, kind of flop them over here just so they're not in the way as I drive up onto this. And I'll go ahead and start the tractor again. And with the RPMs fairly low, I'm going to go ahead, come on in, trying to get myself centered on those pins. When I get close, I'll go ahead and hook my hydraulics back up. Install. Now what I like to do is drive right up onto those pins. You've got your hook on the bottom, your pin on the bottom of the loader, and we're just going to drive right up onto it. It's okay if it's not perfect. We're going to make our adjustments as needed. And once we're on it, we'll lower it down there, like so. Now again, I don't need to leave the driver's seat to do this. I'm going to continue to pull back until my pins line up. That's one side. That's the other. Lift my bucket up. Remove grab my stand, slide that back into place, and reinsert the pin. And that's all there is to it, my friends. I hope that was easy enough for y'all to follow through. It's a really, really simple thing to take on and off, and I hope that after watching this video, you feel confident in doing it yourself. Till next time, my friends, take care.